Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to add music to your story in Facebook on Android. Adding music to your story can make it more interesting and engaging, so let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. Then, tap on the Your Story icon at the top of the screen. This will take you to the camera screen where you can create your story. Next, select the type of story you want to create, such as a photo or a video. You can capture new content using your device's camera, or upload existing content from your gallery. Now, it's time to add some music to your story. Tap on the music icon located at the top of the screen. It looks like a music note. Search for the song you want to add by typing its title, artist, or album in the search bar. Once you find the song you want to use, tap on it to preview it. You can select the portion of the song you want to add to your story by dragging the slider. This will determine which part of the song plays in your story. You can also customize the appearance of the music sticker by selecting a style and color. This will change the way the music sticker looks on your story. Once you're happy with the music sticker you've created, tap on the Done button to save your changes. Finally, tap on the Share button to publish your story on Facebook. Adding music to your Facebook story on Android is a great way to make it more interesting and engaging. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.